Right then, Holly. Well, I've yet to see a C out of you. Let's see if we get any closer in this paper. That is 4 and 204, 5,204. You've missed out an extra 0 because you don't want a 204, you want a 2004. So you'd be looking at 4 and 4 and 4, 2004, 52,004. 6,700,000 is correct. 44 and 36, 37. That is a multiple of 8, but not in the list. So you will lose that mark. 81 is correct. 79,600 is correct. This one is not. To the nearest thousand, the thousands number there is the 9. So it's either going to be 79,000 or 80,000. And it's closer to 80,000 because it's 600 and odd. That's good, that's good. With this one you have to say 700. The value is 700. It's in the hundreds column, but its value is 700. If it was a different number, a different digit, it would have a different value. 7 pineapples is correct. Not sure again, or at least you're showing me some method down here how you do it, but you're not communicating it in any way. So you'll get the 3 maths marks, but you won't get any communication marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 13 for the page. Okay, so with this one, that is your answer. That's wrong. So you're going to lose a mark because you've worked out, you've embedded your answer to show that it balances, but then you're saying that the answer is 250, and it's not. They're giving you 250. That's correct. That's wrong. What you need to do there is first of all take 30 off each, so you get 320 is days times 40, and to get the days on its own you would divide by 40, which is 8 days. So not enough there to get your marks. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, and so is that. And so are they. 8 for that page. So here you're starting to label your axes now. It's nicely laid out, so that's good. Got that right, and you got your units, so that's good. 4 is correct. You're adding them together, so your method is correct, but it doesn't come to 75. It should come to 48. So something's gone wrong there. 4, 6, 9 for the page. 3, 1, 3. That's correct. You want it to be on the line. 0, 1 is there. It's not on the line. Where it'll add up to 1 is here, where you've got 2 plus take away 1 is 1. So that's the one that they were looking for. 15 cubes is what John and Denise have to share. And they want to share it so John gets more than Denise. So the most Denise could get is if John gets 8 and Denise gets 7. So you get 1 mark there, sorry, you get 2 marks there, 1 for the 25% and 1 for the 15, but you don't finish it off. 25 pence is correct. 4, 6, 8 for the page. 1x is correct. 7y is wrong. You've got minus 2y plus 5. So you're starting on your number line at negative 2 and you're adding 5, you end up at plus 3. 9 plus 6 is 15 is not well, it's right, it's not how you solve the equation. What you need is 5t is 9 plus 6, 5t is 15, and then to get the t on its own you would divide, do the opposite times by 5, which is dividing by 5, to get 3. With this one, p is negative 3, which makes that negative 6. You get 1 mark for working out 5 times 2. That one you should be able to do. Have a look at the video clip. 2 for the page. 0.31 is correct. 62 is correct. And that is correct as well. Well done. 75 is right. Then with this one, that is 55 in there, so that's good. You then need to add those together. So it's the 117 and the 41 and the 55. And then take it away from 360. So you've forgotten to add the 55, which is why you've then gone wrong. So let me just check the mark scheme for that one. Number 12. So you get 1 mark for the 55, and then 1 mark for adding up to 360, but because you've missed that one out, you're going to lose a mark. So 3, 4, 5, 11 for that page. 11:47 is correct. 59 minutes isn't. You should be going that way. It's from 13:25 to 14:19. 1 full hour would be take you to 14:25, and 19 is 6 minutes before, so it's 1 hour less 6 minutes, which is 54 minutes. So you get 1 mark for using the correct times and trying to take them away. With this one, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that should be 20 there. So you've got 1 mark for the right method. You lose the mark because your answer is then wrong, but your index form is correct for your working, so you'll get that extra mark. This one looks good. Excellent. For this transformation, hopefully you can see that that is a reflection, and you just need to work out where the mirror is, and the mirror is going to be halfway, which is where you've put that point there. So this is the mirror, and that's called the line where the y coordinate is 1. Okay, the y coordinate is always 1 on that line. So 2 marks for your rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 on that page. Have a look at the video clip for that. That should be straightforward enough for you. That's good. And with this one, you've got that bit is right, that bit is right, that bit is wrong. You should be taking away the time, not adding it on. So you will get 1 mark for working with that, but then you go wrong from there. With this one, 3x plus 18 is correct, but then your method goes wrong because that should be 5x, take away 2x. You have to take away 3x, because you have to take 3x off that side, so you have to do the same with that one, and then that equals 18, which is there, and then you have to add 12 to both sides to get rid of that one. So your method goes wrong with that. That's what you do. You treat it just like an equal sign, but you need to practice your equations because you're very rusty with those. 2 marks on that page, and watch the video clip for that final one. Okay, well that's pretty solid paper. Let's see how good it was. 13, 21, 30, 38, 40, 51, 57, 60, 62. Oof. 62 is a C. It's only just a C. Okay, it's only 1 mark above a C, but nevertheless it is a C, and that's a whopping great improvement. So if you can keep working at that level now, Holly, confidently, then I'd be much happier. Well done.